I absolutely love these power cords. They are a game changer. I love that you have so many options. You have these 2-prong ones, but you also have these 3-prong ones and even more on this side. I love when you have these USB options and you can turn the whole power bar off or on. But the best part about these and what they have really figured out is that they have made this flat, so you are able to put it behind furniture and then slide it right up against, instead of leaving that like awkward gap where you have to be able to like keep the furniture out enough for this to be able to fit. So I love that this is nice and sleek and just gives you so many options. It also allows you to be able to hook it on the wall if you want. We have done this underneath our desk so that you can't see it and that it's up and neat and tidy and put away, but it has all of these options. These are the best.